Hi there. In this quick video we will be trying to extend the 4G antennas on this ASUS router. You might be wondering why not upgrade them. Well, the problem is not necessarily the antennas themselves, but the location I'm using this router in. Is quite enclosed. It has a metal box around it, so the speed of the internet dropped a lot in this location, and I understand it's because of not necessarily bad signal level, because I almost get full signal in here, as you can see from this, but it's like Wi-Fi. You might be in the next room, but your speed drops a lot even if you have full bars in the Wi-Fi signal, because there's a lot of errors that happen. Something like that I have here. So I'm going to show you a speed test exactly in the location where this is sitting now, and a speed test where I want to move the antennas to. So basically I'm buying some adapter cables from here. Let me can I unplug this? I will also link the initial video for this particular router. This is the connector that we have, so I need to extend from that up to here, and I bought some 3-meter cables. I don't even know if you are allowed to unplug the antennas while this is running. Hopefully I didn't do anything bad to it, so it's better for you to shut it off before doing any of these things like unplugging an antenna, unscrewing an antenna. But anyway, so I bought some extensions, 3-meter ones. I will show them to you the second they arrive. They did not arrive yet, and we will still be using the original antennas, just further away than they are now. So let's do the speed test in this location, and then in the location where I want to put them. Speed test on my mobile phone for the moment. I will also do a speed test on the router itself after. And this is the speed test result. So download 85 megs, upload 15 megs. Much lower than what this phone can actually do, and also much lower than what the router can actually do. Now let's do a quick speed test with my phone where I want to move them, which is about 2 meters away, but about 3-meter cables, just so I don't have issues. And this is what I got on my phone where I want to move the antennas: 213 download and 44.7 upload. Much higher speeds. Next, hopefully the cables will arrive, we will install them, and we'll test speeds with the antennas installed. But right now let me show you the speeds that the router is getting where it is now with its antennas mounted directly to it. Okay, as you can see, this is removed, my main network, so we are on mobile 4G, almost full signal, and I did a speed test. Where are you, speed test? Really? No thanks. This is the result. So the router can get a bit higher speed in that confined area than my mobile phone, but still not what it can maximum do. Let's put in the cables. Hey, my little cables just arrived. So let's go and install them. They are SMA female to SMA male. 3-meter cables for 3G, 4G, GPS, Wi-Fi, and LoRa. Who's LoRa? I guess it's some technology that I don't know about yet. You know what? First thing that I'm going to do is remove the antennas and see what happens. Okay, let's see some interesting things. That was the signal. I removed one of the antennas. Let me remove the second one. And obviously you simply rotate them. Not that easy to do with one hand, so be back in a second. This is what the poor little thing can do without its antennas on. So it's still working, but really slowly, and it has a huge ping in there. So yeah, Upload not even starting at the moment. Barely starting. So yes, those are the 4G antennas, the ones in the corners. We are good until now. And this is the little connector that will be plugging in here. Oops, sorry about that. So yeah, pin in the middle. There's a hole in there. Camera focus today, maybe. Camera. But some debris. I want to blow in there to get those debris out first. Be back in a second. Nah, no chance. So let's put this in, and the router is still working. And do not do this. This is fairly dumb what I'm doing in here. I would like to say that I'm doing this so you don't need to, but I'm doing this just for the hell of it. I'm curious. Yes, sometimes I do break stuff. Most times I get lucky. So at this point one antenna extender is in, and I need to put the antenna in here. But let me put the other extender and be back. And now screw the antennas in the extensions. Voila the antennas. Voila the router. Let's give it a speed test. Speed test is running. Already getting, I think, a bit higher speed, or at least similar to what we were getting without the extensions, but we are still not in a good position. They are just thrown next to the router, so we haven't achieved anything. We need to put them in a good position. And here we have the antennas. I used some plastic from Lidl. You can buy these things directly from Lidl with some screws in there. Some brackets. I don't know how those are called. So yeah, it's at the top of my attic. And here I think I have the best signal, at least with my phone. Let's give it a speed test. Signal is still not maximum, but I don't care about that. It's way more than enough. Let's give it the speed test and see what it does. What? This is the highest upload that I ever got. The ping is the lowest, but this is not the highest that I ever got. Rotated the antennas a little bit, decreased this, increased this. Ping still about the same. I need to play a bit more. This is how they are at the moment, but I'm going to attempt different variations until I get the highest upload and download. Hehehe, now we're talking. But they are in the weirdest position. I just, as a joke almost, I tried like that. I'm going to show you. Don't ask me why they work like this, but they work. I don't think I will get higher speed than this in any other way. Okay, you know I'm not touching those antennas anymore. They remain in that weird position. If any of you have any idea why that seems to be okay, go for it. Let's do one final run, because why not? Go, 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 go. What are you doing? I didn't change a thing. Or actually I did. I moved the cables a little bit. Could that affect? Upload doesn't seem to care. Download did seem to care. Let me run a few more times. Another run with 0 changes. Don't these cables like to be made in a bundle at all? That's the only thing I actually changed. The cables are in a bundle now. Oh no, that was not the issue. One of my cables got effed when I was tightening it, and probably it wasn't making contact anymore. So I need to try and pull it out without damaging it, hopefully, somehow, I don't know, and see if it still works and we get back to the good speed. That kind of sucks. Looking good again. I will be way more careful, and if I feel any tension, I'm stopping and starting again by wiggling the cable a little bit, but I don't know how this look like internally. I have no idea what this could have created in there, so we will actually see. Yay, it's actually worse. I effed up the connection on the router itself, so I need to unbend one of the edges. I think it's doable, but be really careful. I had no idea these are so fragile when misaligned, but it seems they are. Fixed. Let's see what happens now. We're okay. Dodge the bullet. That was, yikes, really bad. But now it's really good. Damn it, so close to greatness. But that ping, okay. Cannot reach 200. But yeah, I will give up. It's that easy, not worth my time. We are there, we didn't damage anything, it's working much better than it was without the extensions, and honestly I see no reason why it wouldn't work with external antennas. I don't see why. Now there's the question, is it worth buying some external antennas? Because I've seen some that were basically crap at a high price. Or just jerry-rig something like I did here with its own antennas but in a much better location. I would honestly go this route again unless I need to go outside and have a waterproof antenna. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always see you in the next one. Bye.